So hello everyone. Here I am Aditya Suryavanshi and this time with the new project. And this project is something kind I have to build it from the last 1 month. Like this project is called as LLM Council, and the basic idea of this project is like we know the LLMs which are out there like Gemini or ChatGPT or any LLM that you take in the market has faced one problem like hallucinations. So I kinda researched about one paper where they have proposed idea of having a council of LLMs where LLMs can debate on the responses generated by them and they can enhance and they can what you can say they're like they can enhance with talking with each other their outputs, they can critique their outputs and they can enhance the outputs generated by them. So I tried a similar thing at a low scale to replicate the same idea, like to make a LLM council with the help of A2A protocol, with the help of the Langgraph, with the help of the Google ADK, and for the agent traceability and observability, I have used Comet Topic. Uh, yeah, so and for the backend, obviously I used Fast API and all. So the project is like uh, I will give brief things about the architecture. I will discuss it. The project is like there is one supervisor node which takes the user query and give it to the other LLM nodes. Like for the prototype, I have created two LLM nodes like Gemini and Mistral. So each LLM node generates the output of the user query at their end and they exchange their output with one another and they say like suppose Gemini has created the output for user query, then it give it to the Mistral and then Mistral critique that output and generates the final answer for the Gemini node. And similarly happens for the Mistral also, like Mistral gives to the Gemini and all these things. And after generating the final answer at their end, they give this final answer to the supervisor, where supervisor decides based upon the answer relevance which output to give to the user. Like this is the sheer backend that I have used for this project, where your output is being traced for 3 to 4 times and it is getting enhanced for 3 to 4 times before reaching the user. So this was my idea. I will discuss the architecture and how it works in a detailed manner, but let's see the demo how it works. So first of all, I have this front end where you can actually chat with our agent and you can give a simple query like which query you want to give similar like a chat gpt. It is nothing like if we see on a front end level it is nothing but similar to the chat gpt, but thing is what is in the back end is much different. So let's give a simple query, why sky is blue. Okay, and after that you can say you can see here a debate is in progress. So what occurs first of all, if you go into the comment topic or here you can see a Gemini normal response has been given, like the user has asked why the sky is blue. So Gemini has given the normal answer like for the user query, and the similar thing happens in the MongoDB database. Like you can see here, uh, let me just refresh here. Here you can see it has given answer why sky is blue and you can see the critics area. Now the answer which is generated by the Gemini is being critiqued by the Mistral. Like you can see the Mistral agent has created the critic for the Gemini and you can see factual impression, what shortcomings are there in the answer are here. And if you again refresh it, the Mistral agent actually generates the final output with the critic for the Gemini node. And similar thing happens for the Mistral agent, and this thing is there. And let me just go into the traceability and you can see here first was the Gemini normal response, then comes the Mistral critic response, and then comes the Mistral final response. So after being generated one answer, it is being critiqued, it is being re-enhanced by the another node which is present in the council. Like Gemini has created the response, so it is being critiqued by the other node and the final answer is also given by the other node. Now we will see how it goes for the Mistral node, because I have included only two nodes. First, now here you can see. So here you can see. Uh, Here you can see the Mistral for the Mistral the same thing has occurred. And after giving the all the answers, the answer relevancy is calculated. Like the final answer which are given by the each node are being calculated by the supervisor. And you can see here, the thing is, the answer has been uploaded, or answer has been given here, but this answer has came from the Gemini node. Like first answer was created by the Gemini node, the second was created by the Mistral node. They critique the answer itself, they have given the final answer at their end. Then the supervisor took that answer, and then it ran the answer relevancy on the both the answers which have got by the Gemini and the Mistral, and it has selected the one answer which has the more, what you can say, more answer relevancy. So before, what you can say, uh, a normal LLM can give a one answer. It doesn't give, like, it doesn't enhance the answer in the loop itself. But here in the LLM debate agent, the answer is created by the one node, it is being critiqued by the another node, then again the answer which is more relevant is returned to the user. So this is what the one thing we can do to prevent the hallucinations which are there in the, what you can say, AI agents. And you can see in the records also, like here you can see, first of all, what occurred is Gemini created the output, Mistral has critiqued it, then it got into the Gemini's, like it is given by the Mistral to the agent Gemini, and here is the critic. Then it has created the final output. The similar thing happened for the Mistral is, the Gemini agent has given the critic for the Mistral and this one, and then it has created the final answer. Then this final answer has got to the supervisor. Then it took the answer relevancy. Like I can show you the trace where the answer relevancy has happened. Uh, like you can check it out here. Like Gemini has given the file like this, and you can see here answer relevancy has happened. Like here 0.95 is the answer relevancy given by, maybe this may be of the Mistral it has chosen, and this one is out there. So it is here, you can see 0.95. So like this, the, what you can say, this critic agent and critic agent works. And this is the thing that I want to do. Like uh, in this node I have proposed, like in this model I have proposed two nodes which are working simultaneously for generating the debate. But in upcoming versions there will be the n number of nodes which will debate with one another with the help of the A2A protocol. And the system architecture and system overview and system, what you can say, that system shortcomings of this thing, I will be posting how I have achieved, or how I have done the back end of this system. So it will be more beneficial for the upcoming, what you can say, prototypes which are there. So thanks for watching. This was all about the LLM debate agent.